Hey, what's up, y'all? Come here real quick. Let me show you how I take these curls and I make them wavy by using Texturizing Mousse by LV3. So the first thing I want to do is I want to damp this hair. And what I'm using, my preference of choice, is going to be our Detangler. So what that's going to do is also, aside from laying it down, if his hair is curly and tight, it'll loosen up them curls. So this way them waves lay down extremely flat. So now that his hair is damp, I'm just brushing that out with our wide tooth LV3 comb. And now to add control, definition, and these waves to really come out, we're going to head and put the mousse on. The way you put this mousse on is just you apply it, and with your hands, you simply just want to brush that in. So a do-rag is always going to be essential when it comes to having waves. We all know this. If you're a waver out there, you have more than one do-rag. So we're going to tie this do-rag down, making sure that that's tight. These come across. And then what you want to do in the back here, pull this down, make sure it's snug, then come back, tie it up, add some pressure. Make sure you have that pressed down, and then tie it. To speed up this process, I'm going to be using a blow dryer. I'm going to use this on high heat. And what we're going to do is we're just going to let that go and just let it set. Bum, 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 bum. Hey, after a couple, maybe 3-4 minutes of being set, that do-rag should have laid the waves down flat, and wow, that looks kind of cool. So as you can see, them curls are now laying down and nice and wavy, very clean, defined. Some next level. From curls to waves. That easy. This is something that you can use at home. It doesn't have to be the barber applying. It's your boy Frank the Barber. Get your products at lv3.com. You've seen here today, curls to waves. If you want to do that, check us out.